to predictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This old world's confused.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. This is already take 4. Today is Thursday, March 10th, and it's a day 6. On the lunch menu, we've got chicken tendies with sweet and sour sauce, sticky rice, honey carrot coins, and a pineapple.
Love me some good tendies. In guidance news, everyone remember the email from Miss Bioki about the new live industry chats. The next chat is today.
It's today.
Thursday, March 10th at 11 a.m. and it's about how to become an influencer. Leo doesn't need to go because he's already famous.
Yeah.
The next chat is Tuesday, March 15th at 11 a.m. and is about data security and privacy. Please see that email for more details.
Now, in general information, Mr. SHS is coming back. The Student Council is organizing a Mr. SHS competition that is going to take place on Friday, March 25th from 5 to 8 p.m. I better see every boy signed up on that.
Have you checked out the school newspaper recently? I know I have. Check out the latest stories, including our look at billionaires in space. Look up Sutton High News on your web browser and get reading. Do it for me and do it for Mr. Loss.
The annual Connections Conference will be on Friday, March 18th. If you are not a part of Connections but would like to attend this event, please see Miss Mo to be added to the guest list.
Wow.
This is a rare opportunity to break out of the Sutton bubble without having to go far.
In esports, we've got a doubleheader today.
Keep going.
It opens with today.
I'm not taking a 5th take.
With Rocket League against Southwick. At 4, the Sutton Mario Kart team plays a team called Brittany Steers from
creative.
Kentucky. We will play in room 200, and they're going to stream it on Twitch. If you're interested in playing esports, tomorrow is the last day to sign up for a varsity team. So, if you're interested, see Mr. Bilica for more information.
In other news, the SHS pie eating contest is on a Pie Day, Monday, 3.1-41592-653-59.
Nice.
Watch Miss Taylor take on Mr. Loss to see who can take a table talk pie the fastest. Now, Mr. Loss, I know I'm going to be watching this in class with you, and this is going to be awkward, but I got to take Miss Taylor.
Listen, I'm quite the opposite, Miss Taylor. Love you bunches. But Mr. Loss, you know I'm a believer. You got this. Silent killer.
Place a donation to see who will win. See the poster, Miss Gamble, and this video for more information.
I hope we raise plenty of money for whatever it is we're raising money for, and I'll simply say this is going to be like June 14th of 1998.
I'm just here to say I'm going to wipe the floor with Mr. Loss in this pie eating competition, and if I don't get all the money, you know where it's at. My classroom, 226, come see me.
Nice. Nice video. Make sure to pull up and support our buddy and pal we all know, Jonathan Rochford, who will be playing his album at the Townhouse Tavern in Grafton on Sunday, March 20th.
Now, if you thought that living on a prayer during the talent show is good,
you don't know what's coming.
you don't know what's coming. Have an elite day, Sutton High.
Love you.